Welcome to today's deep dive. So, you look at a price tag of $3,849.99 for a single speaker, and your first thought is probably, why on earth does this black box cost as much as a used car?
Right. I mean, it is the massive number to swallow at first, but today we're using product specs and data from HDTVSupply to unpack the QSC LA112 12-inch two-way active line array loudspeaker. Quite a mouthful.
It really is, and I'm glad you're here to help translate all those specs because, this isn't for your living room.
Oh, absolutely not. No, this is built for demanding AV, fixed installations, solo entertainers playing big rooms, that sort of thing. I mean, this single unit hits a peak of 136 decibels.
Wait, 136? Isn't that literally the threshold of physical pain?
It is, yeah.
Oh.
It is insanely loud, and that is powered by an energy-efficient 2400-watt Class D amplifier.
Oh, wow. Okay, so hardware-wise, we are talking about a lightweight neodymium 12-inch woofer and dual 1.75-inch high-frequency compression drivers.
Right, and the neodymium is key there because it gives you that massive bass punch without requiring a forklift to move it.
It's basically the audio equivalent of a muscle car engine.
Right.
But okay, let's unpack this. How does it control all that raw power without just sounding like a garbled, deafening mess with the front row?
Well, that comes down to something QSC calls the AAF waveguide, which stands for Length Equalized Acoustic Flare.
Okay, what does that actually do in practice?
So it physically shapes the sound into a really precise cone, specifically 90 degrees horizontally and just 15 degrees vertically.
Oh, I see. So instead of acting like a bare light bulb throwing sound everywhere, it's more like a focused flashlight beam.
Exactly. It gives you this uniform coverage and exceptional throw, so the audience actually hears the music, not the muddy echoes bouncing off the ceiling.
Right. But loud and clear is one thing. I feel like the true justification for that near 4-gram price tag really lies in the software side of things.
Oh, 100%. The intelligent audio ecosystem is really where this thing shines.
Yeah, like the onboard aware system, automatic wireless array recognition. And it links to the QSC SysNav app, which has this AIM tool, the array installation modeling tool.
Yeah, the AIM tool is incredible.
It's like playing a venue building video game. You literally visualize the exact sound coverage on your screen before you even lift the 47.2-pound ABS plastic enclosure.
What's fascinating here is how it all integrates with Dante Digital Audio over IP and their acoustic linear phase design, or ALP.
Which matters why, exactly?
Well, if you have multiple network speakers, the ALP design maintains perfect coherence. It basically guarantees a uniform listening experience across the whole venue.
So you don't get those weird phase cancellation dead zones where the bass just randomly drops out?
Precisely. The network keeps everything perfectly aligned.
Okay, but let me push back a little here. Doesn't adding networking and IP addresses make setting up a live gig insanely complicated? Like, now I have to be an IT guy and a roadie?
It sounds like it would be a total nightmare. But they solved the physical deployment side with their rapid deploy rigging technology.
Which means zero tools, right?
Zero tools, no extra hardware.
Yeah.
Whether you are flying up to 6 units from the ceiling or, ground stacking them over a subwoofer.
Or even just putting 2 on a simple pole mount, I assume.
Yeah, exactly. It's practically effortless to deploy.
So to wrap this deep dive up, the QSC LA112 really marries that heavy-duty hardware with smart, network-driven software.
And don't forget the 6-year warranty if you register it, which probably explains the 4.7-star user reviews across the board.
Right. It's a serious investment, but a protected one, which leaves you with a really fascinating thought to mull over.
Oh, yeah. What's that?
Well, as PA speakers become increasingly aware, self-recognizing, and managed via IP networks, you have to wonder, how soon will the traditional role of the live sound engineer shift from an acoustic technician to essentially a digital network manager? Thanks for joining us for this deep dive, and we'll catch you next time.